In this video, I want to introduce about this website. Okay, for people who are interested to buy this website. Okay, so right now you see over here that is a REALSPACEXR.com. So this one is actually the front end. So the front end is completely made using HTML, CSS, and over here. So the entire front end website you can actually change. Okay, this one is a live chat connected to the phone. Okay, all these are included. All these are the front end is fully uh, customizable, and this one is actually an add-on kind of application. Okay, from a third-party platform. So all these are HTML. You can change away the entire front end, also no problem. Okay, so over here I have like our service. Okay, all these you can customize to suit to your own needs. Okay, all these are HTML, this book. Okay, so over here I also have a gallery where I showcase some example of 360 VR tour that's being created. So all these are video. Okay, these are videos added in. Okay, website. Okay, so this is how the 360 VR tour will look like. Okay, created using this platform. Okay, all these customizable, the color, the view. Okay, all these customizable. Okay, and then you can also view it in the full screen. Okay, then you can VR tour. All these are created using this platform backend, which I will show you later on. Okay, so this is how the website will look like. I mean the 360 view will look like using this platform to create. If you buy over this platform, okay, you can use for your own business or can use it as a SaaS service provider. Okay, to sell the service to end user or use it for your own company. Okay, so you can also have a map, and then see over here, this one is can orientate the map direction to your 360 VR tour. You can view satellite view, and this is integrated using Google Map. Okay, using Google Map, and then exit full screen. All these all these are Google Map feature. Okay, can be integrated in the using the tools at the back end, which I will show you later. Then you can also do a web VR. Okay, then you can view this one in the VR headset. Okay, to make it more immersive. So for if you're showcasing your properties, okay, you want something new experience for your end user, you can use this. Okay, and then you can also have this social share. Okay, so the cookies. Okay, so you need to enable the cookies. Okay. Okay, so this one could be some settings and this I'll show later. Then you can also create your own 360 the dollhouse. Okay, all this can be done using this software at the back end, which I will show you later. So you can hide the icons. Okay, so this one is turned off. It's not green, it's turned off during the creation, so it can be configured at the back end to turn it on. Okay, now it's being turned off. Okay, you can also view clicking the arrows here. Okay, so now auto map. Okay, so this one has a full feature. Okay, let's go to gallery, go to this library. So this one is actually the gallery for NYP library. Okay, NYP library. Let's view it. So I was trying to show this, all these annotation, text, additional thing, all this can be configured at the back end. Depend on how you want to set up the 360 VR tool. Okay, and then the picture quality is based on your camera. Currently I'm using Insta360. Okay, and then you can set up to take a better resolution and picture will be more clear. If you set up using a lower resolution, the picture will be less clear. Okay, and then you can also have this one, street tour. Okay, you can also set up street tour at the street level. This one is integrated using Google. Okay, Google 360 VR. Okay, these are the features you can do at the back end of this website. Okay, and then map over here, you can view satellite map over here. You can view this map. Then you can make it full screen, so you can also not only tour 360 within the building, you can also tour 360 outside the building. But of course, it's subjected to whatever that is available given by the Google, unless you create your own 360 outside. Okay. Okay, go out full screen. Okay, close this here. Okay, so that's what I was trying to show is this one, annotations, voice orientation. Okay, so when you turn it on, okay, for this one NYP library, I never set any cookies requirement, things like that. Cookie permission, I never set any cookie permission. So I can just click and then it will appear. Okay, so it has this feature for the user to share. Okay, click share and come out here. Okay, everything is configured, so WebVR, everything is here. Okay, here you can choose which room you want to go to. Okay, library, NYP library. Okay, okay, now I will show you the back end. Okay, so this one is a library. Okay, everything can be done. Okay, now let's go to the back end.